guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Morgan, but you can call me Lil Mo. I go by Cajunventures online, and here on my channel, I teach you exactly how to make a living selling on Amazon. The best part is you do not need a lot of money to get started. I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I did not grow up with a lot of money. I actually grew up with a single mom with 4 kids in a trailer park in a tiny town in Louisiana. And despite that, I have done $5 million in Amazon sales. It is a crazy time online. You don't need rich parents. You don't need a lot of money. You don't even need experience. What you do need is a good attitude and the willingness to learn and be adaptable. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how I went to Bed Bath & Beyond and made $250 in less than 1 hour. If you're new here, I'm so glad that you ended up here. If you want more videos like this, make sure you drop a thumbs up, comment side hustle below so that I can keep providing you these free videos, because I think if you have information that can change somebody's life, you should share it for free, and that's why I launched this channel. Since your time is money, go ahead and hit subscribe and let's get started. In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get paid to shop at Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's go. Let's go check out my favorite section. This is the clearance section, y'all. So this is usually overstocked items or online returns, and we just got here and we have already scored. Check this out. So this item is an at-home water testing kit. So they are normally $21.99, but they are on clearance for $5.49. So you want to scan this UPC barcode listed right here, and then you're gonna look on the Amazon seller app where you're gonna see this. So as you can see, these are selling for the normal retail price, $21.99. We are not ripping anybody off. This is the normal retail price. We are just putting in the work to find these for this huge clearance price. So you're going to scan it on the Amazon seller app, and this is going to pop up. You're going to see when you sell these items, for each item you can make this amount of money. And y'all, they have 28 of these. We've been in Bed Bath & Beyond for 10 minutes, and this is already $250 in profit, which blows my freaking mind. We were in and out in 15 minutes, y'all. I cannot believe that in that short of a time, you can make over $250. Now you're probably wondering, now that I found the goods, how do I even list them? How did you even know that that was a good product to sell? So let me show you exactly how you will know. Why do you help people sell on Amazon if you sell on Amazon? The thing is, there are millions of products for sale on Amazon. I can help you do $1 million in sales this year, and it's not going to remotely impact my business whatsoever. I think if you have information that can positively impact somebody's life, then you should share it, and you should share it for free. And that's why I got over my fear of being on video and launched this YouTube channel. Financial freedom is what I'm chasing. It was never about the money. It was always about being able to live life on my own terms. 10 days ago, my grandfather passed away, and within those 10 days, his daughter has already filed a lawsuit because she wants more money. My sister uninvited us to a wedding over money, and it just really reminds me that if you don't control your finances, you don't have control of your life. And that's my why. That's why it is so important to me to teach people financial education, because once you have that power, you can change your entire life. Now that we got the goods, you're probably wondering, what do I do with this stuff now? So let me explain to you how it works. So if you want to sign up as an Amazon seller, you have 2 options. They have FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon. I'm going to take all these items I found, I am going to list them, stick a sticker on them, and I'm going to send them to Amazon's warehouse. Then when a customer orders them, they're going to handle the shipping for me. The other option is FBN, which is fulfilled by merchant. Or fulfilled by Morgan, because that's who's the one who's going to be doing the work. All I'm using in that scenario is listing my product on their platform, then I'm going to ship the item myself to the customer. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do either option. So once you get your item, let's hop on my computer screen so I can show you exactly how it works. Welcome to my computer screen. This is where the magic happens. This is where I'm going to help you change your life this year. So if you think I'm lying, check this out. Today's sales are already $830 and our next paycheck is already over $3,000, which is life-changing for somebody who used to make $400 a week. So we want to list our item. We use Inventory Labs, but I want to keep it real simple, and I am going to show you just on Amazon Seller Central. So you're going to come up here to the top left and you're going to click Inventory. Now you're going to scroll down and click Add a Product. You can actually do this on a computer or your phone. You want to just scan the UPC code. So if nothing comes up, what that means is this item is not currently available for sale on Amazon, or it's not linked to the UPC code. So if that's the case, you can also search by the name of the product. So we use a scanner that saves you a lot of time from typing all that in. I have all our Amazon supplies linked in the description below for you. So you want to scroll down, and then once you find the correct product, it's going to ask you over here what condition it is. So you're going to want to put new, and then you're going to click sell this product. Once you get the correct item, they want to know all the details. So you're going to scroll down to the offer page, and the first thing that they're going to ask you for is a seller SKU, and this confuses a lot of people, but basically it's whatever you want it to be. For accounting purposes, we put the date we bought the item, the price we paid, the store we got it, and the sales rank. What the sales rank is, a number. Every item on Amazon has a number. The lower it is, the more likely it is to sell. If you want a free guide that will help you find profitable products, check it out right here where you can download it. It's also in the description. Then we're going to put the price, and we're going to go in at $21.99. You put the condition again, and then earlier how I was talking to you about fulfilled by Amazon or fulfilled by merchant, you're going to pick whichever one you want. If you select I will ship this item myself, and then you scroll down, it's going to ask you whatever marketplace you're in. If we're just selling in the US, we're going to keep it at this price, and then you're going to hit save and finish. If you do fulfill by merchant, you are done. If you are doing Amazon will ship, this is the next step. This page is asking you what type of barcode do you want. Always pick Amazon barcode. The reason is if you don't, they can send somebody else's item as your own item. It might be fake, damaged, not new, who knows. The only person that can make sure your business is doing well and has great quality is you. So always click Amazon barcode, then click save and continue. So it's going to ask you for prep and labeling details needed. So what you want to do is just click on this, and then you're going to look at it and see if it's any of these things. Apparel on hanger, baby products. Most of these things would require you to put the item in a poly bag. But this item is just a simple box, so it is no prep needed, so just hit save. Ask who's going to label the unit. So every item has to have this little sticker stuck on it. If you don't do it yourself, they're going to charge you per item. So it takes barely any work, so you're going to hit buy, seller, and save. Now you need to print the labels, so we use a Dymo printer that I have linked in the description, but you can also, when we started, we didn't have anything fancy. We just started with a normal old printer, and we got some Avery labels, and you can print them that way as well. So you're going to come down here and type in how many units you have. Well, we scored today. We got 28 of these. So we're going to click right here, and then you are going to click print SKU labels, and they're going to print right out, and you want to stick them on top of the barcode on the item. And next you're going to scroll down. You want to click that ready to pack button, and now we're going to do pack individual units. Selling on Amazon can be a little overwhelming, but they do make it a little easier when they just ask, does everything fit into one box, or do you need multiple boxes? Well, since these are small, everything's going to fit into one for us, so we're going to hit confirm. Now they want to know the box dimensions, y'all. So you want to keep it as small as possible. So I'm going to enter this here, and then I'm going to hit confirm packing information. They're going to hit confirm and continue. The beauty of selling on Amazon is they hook you up with their discounts. So you're going to pay way less than if you were to go to FedEx, UPS, or USPS on your own. So this is UPS, their preferred partner. And for this box, it is only $5.81. So I'm going to select their preferred partner. And literally all I have to do is hit accept charges and confirm shipping. Once you accept the charges and confirm shipping, it is going to pop up with 2 box labels. Woohoo! This is a final step, y'all. So you are going to get labels that look like this. Life hack, you can get these for free at ups.com. You want to put all your items in a box. We reduce, reuse, recycle as much as possible. And you want to put both your labels just like this on the exact same side. Do not put them like this. Amazon don't like that very much, to do it like this. I really hope that you guys have found this video helpful. If you are not sure exactly what to sell, how to know if it's going to sell, and if you need help getting started, we have a free training that we're doing tonight, and it is linked in the description for you. I hope that you have gotten some value out of this. If you have, please just drop a comment below to let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you hit subscribe and turn on your notifications, because every Wednesday at 12 Central Time, we are doing a free live training where we want to help you quit worrying about money and make your life better. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.